Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to be back. I feel like I haven't recorded in forever, but as you guys can see, I'm gonna just jump straight into it. What I'm doing here is I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair at first because I am free parting. I'm not gonna do any type of rectangle, triangle parts, none of that, because that is too stressful for me. And I find that whenever I free part, it works out fine as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna be parting however I please. I do have a mirror in front of me, but I'm rarely using it, or should I say I'm barely using it. It's just there for when I get to the very front. So I just part a section, I detangle it with my denim brush, and then I go in with my small tooth comb, and then I just tie it up with a rubber band and put it in a back ponytail aside from all of the other hair. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that throughout all of my head. So that's a little bit boring, but that's the beginning process. We're gonna get to the interesting part soon. But as I'm doing that, if you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Daphne. I do hair videos, vlogs, couples videos, and challenges as well. I also love to cook. So if you like to watch those types of videos, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I always provide A1 content. Also, we're on the road to 50k subscribers. Let's get it, let's go. And lastly, don't forget to follow my Instagram at fufufunny_. It's popping over there, and all it's missing is you. So what are you waiting for? But let's go ahead and get on with this hairstyle, y'all. The hair color is hella off, but it is what it is. I think for this segment, I'm just gonna talk, but I bought 3 packs of these Africana Braid Nation pre-stretched braids. I love that they're stretched. Less work for me. But I know for the type of like braids I'm doing, which is knotless, oh, they're 24 inches, baby. We're gonna make it 30 easily. But like I was saying, I know for knotless braids, I'm gonna have to like hang them up somewhere, or my carpet gonna be full of hair. But this is what it looks like. It comes with 6 of these packs. Yeah, I'm not gonna cut them, just gonna go ahead and start using them. This is my very first time doing knotless braids on myself, so I'm really excited. But I'm gonna do what I always do and start at the back, and when I get to the middle or the front is when I'm gonna somewhat master it, and I'll be back to show you guys what it's looking like. I can't wait, but most likely that'll be tomorrow because currently it is, okay Google, what time is it?
8:08 p.m.
8:08 p.m. and I know for a fact I'm not gonna finish today. I might finish tomorrow. Well, I will finish tomorrow. I'm gonna make sure I do, but for now I'm gonna just watch my show and show you guys me installing this hair when I get to the front of my hair. So yeah. Products that you need is your shine gem. This is to hold the hair down. I'm also gonna use my edge booster for the front of my hair because my baby hairs need to be slick down. Anyways, the hair, I really wanted to get a brush, but I couldn't find any. So worst case scenario, I'm gonna just use my comb. But yeah, let's go ahead and see how much is in one of these little mini packs. I know I want them long, so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do, and I'll be back to educate you guys on what's happening. Alright guys, so this is how the hair is looking like in the back. Like I told you guys, I free parted, so it's not the best. Again, I don't really care about the parting, I just care about how the braids look. But I am gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do the braids. So I just take it out of the section, detangle it with my denim brush. You can also use a wide tooth comb because my hair is dry. I don't put any moisturizer just because I didn't want it to have too much slippage. And then I go in with a fine tooth comb to detangle it even better. And then I'm gonna apply my shine gem to my hair, all over it. This is so my hair is neater and looks better overall. So yeah, I'm gonna apply that, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I put the braid in. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part the section into 3 parts as you would when you're beginning a braid. And just look at my fingers right here because it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm gonna grab a piece of hair that I already separated and I'll put it with my real hair and grab it and keep going with the braid. When I get back to that same side that I put the new hair in, I'm gonna add more hair. So that's basically how you do knotless braids. You just keep braiding and adding the hair in the same spot that you did before, and eventually it's gonna get thicker and longer, and baby, you're knotless braiding. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that for the whole braid right here, and that's basically all I'm gonna be doing throughout my entire head. So this is me separating the strands before I start a braid. I recommend getting those things that you could buy from Amazon where you could just separate several strands. Like I had to use my mirror and I couldn't do a lot at once, so it was kind of tedious. But depending on the size of the parts that you take out when you're separating depends on the outcome of how the braid is gonna be, like the thickness of it. So keep that in mind, because if you have bigger braids, then you're gonna need to do bigger parts, and if you have smaller braids, then smaller parts. Overall, guys, doing knotless braids is not hard. It just takes a little bit of practice and you'll get it. But for the length of your hair, if you want it to be thicker, you could do what I'm doing, which is just adding more sections when you're going down. So that would add thickness to the hair and also length. So do that as well, so your hair don't come out extremely big on top and really stringy at the bottom. I have yet to perfect this, but that's a little tip for y'all. But so far it's looking good, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm almost done. It's, oh lord, the floor is a hot mess, but it's currently 1:39. Can you guys see? It's 1:39 in the morning of the next day, but the hair is looking really good so far. I completely goofed it because I haven't boiled any water. And like, hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and boil some water because I need to in order to dip my hair. So I have to do it now because tomorrow I have to go out really early and my hair cannot be wet, so I can't dip it tomorrow. But I only have 2 pieces left. Oh, that's so exciting. But for now, let me go ahead and boil the water. I think I'm gonna be able to go to sleep at around 2:30, which is really bad, but those are the sacrifices you have to make for beauty. But it's looking really good so far. I'm really happy with it. I don't know, I think I have to get better with my braiding skills. It's not the best, as you can see there's some flaws, but it's really long and it has a lot of potential. So
boys.
Yo, wait. My hair actually looks ridiculously good. I'm gonna go ahead and boil it because the water started boiling way faster than I thought. But tomorrow, please, if you're watching, keep watching, because the way this looks, my face, the greasiness is not giving you justice. It looks so good, and it's so long and so thick. What the hell did I do? This is beautiful. My hair seriously looks so good. This is insane, but it is dripping wet right now. So I'm gonna call it a night. It's almost 2:30, and I think I accidentally did like a little heart shape here. Just so cute, but it's really late. I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm all glammed up and ready to show you guys the final results. So good night. I actually ended up being extremely busy the next day, but I do have some pictures and a video clip of the hair, but you guys will be seeing it in my future videos. But for now, this is all I've got. If you make it bad,